what tips you can share to those who may feel constantly drained off from, you know, being in that environment or just being in that
Yeah.
space of taking too much emotional baggage?
So, firstly, before I sit for any session, it is very important that I shield and protect myself. So, this I do it very energetically. People who know Reiki know how to heal and shield themselves. So, this is very important to be done. I also like if there's any ritual in the day or anything, I make sure that I'm doing a ritual bath, which is either with rock salt or few herbs that I put in, depending on what ritual I'm doing. So, this is another thing. The other thing that I do is shower releasing. So just standing in the shower, visualizing myself to release all the unwanted energies of golden light protecting me and covering me from my crown chakra to my root chakra and releasing all the unwanted energy, shielding and protecting me. So this is something that I do, and also I do a lot of affirmations and mantra chanting, which helps me to be protected. The other thing, which is most important for everyone, is to do uttaras. Once a month, uttara is very important to do on a Saturday. This is a nazar uttara. Like we do say कि अरे इसको तो बहुत नजर लगती है. So when you're feeling very drained or when you feel that there's too much going on, a nazar utarna is very important. You can even do it with rock salt or you can do it with different herbs. Everyone in their house has different nuskas of removing nazar. So कोई हरी सूखी सॉरी रेड सूखी मिर्ची से नजर उतारते हैं, नहीं तो ब्लैक सेसमे सीड से करते हैं, नहीं तो जस्ट राई एंड नमक से कर लेते हैं. So whatever you resonate with, you can do your nazar. You can ask your mother to do it or your house help to remove the nazar. But the main thing that you need to do is throw it either outside your house or burn the nazar.
Hmm.
Don't keep it anywhere in your house. Don't flush it in your house. It's better to let go of that energy. So to go through it is also good. You can even remove nazar from Nimbu and then go through it outside. But don't put it on the crossroads. There are a lot of people who put it on the crossroads. I
Hmm.
suggest that go through it in the dustbin outside your house or building.
Great.
So this is something that will help a lot of people, and even call upon Archangel Michael to help come and shield you. This will work wonders for everyone.
Great. Someone who is listening to us right now and they feel kind of lost or blocked in their life, what is that first step you would like to recommend for them to be able to start their journey towards healing and positivity?
So first thing I would say is that approach an astrologer or a tarot card reader to understand to why you're feeling lost or what is the blocked energy that you're facing, because you might have tried everything by now and nothing is working in your favor. So this is the best time to approach an astrologer or a tarot card reader who will help guide you in a way and make you empower to a path of clarity and healing. So when you go to a tarot card reader, there are a lot of pathways that automatically start opening because you are taking charge of your life and you want to understand what are the blocked energies I'm facing so that you can work towards it. So, this is very important. And if you don't believe in it, also just go there and sit in front of the reader and see the magic that happens, because there are a lot of clients who've come to me, oh, I don't believe in it. I'm like, you partially believe in it. That's why you're sitting in front of me. And then once I start the prediction, they are completely zapped to, okay, that she is legit, she knows what she is doing or saying for that matter. So don't be worried about anything. These blocks are part and parcels of life. They make you understand what your strength is, what your weakness is, and it will make you learn a lot. It is a testing time, but we all have these testing times once in a year that we have to go through. This is the universe's way of saying that how strong can you become. So
So,
this is the first thing that they can do.
got it.